morning, fam, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, it's your girl Cece and Grayson. And for those of you that have been here for a while, oh, and baby's back there. But for those of you that have been here for a while, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming in and clicking the subscribe button, ringing the bell, and hitting the like for us. It really helps our channel out. We woke up. Where are we?
At the river.
Camping. We are at Asheboro. We are in Asheboro, North Carolina at Zooland Family Campground. We just woke up. We got here late last night, so everybody's like kind of lounging, but we're about to get up and get our day started. So let's hang out.
We need to hang out.
And then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new, yeah. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make you grow. Can make you grow. Can make you grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I change it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you, 'cause we gotta go our own way. Gotta go our own way.
Hey you guys, so I just wanted to come to you, brief intermission from camping, to let you know about a camping fail that I definitely did yesterday. So we were not prepared yesterday. We had a lot of moving parts going on. We were supposed to get here at the latest 6 o'clock, but we didn't even pull out, I don't think, until after 4. So needless to say, we didn't get here until 9 o'clock. It was dark. It was our first time pulling this trailer at 9 o'clock. We had eaten lunch, but I didn't have a dinner prepared, because typically when we pull in, I order pizza or something like that. But we got in so late that I ended up ordering food last night, which was fine, but it was a $100 mistake. Like, because, you know, when you order food, the prices are higher, and then you got to pay a delivery fee plus a tip, which is fine. It was a costly mistake. So I'm just coming to let you guys know, make sure you're prepared when you pull out. Like, sometimes it's inevitable. Yesterday for us, it was just inevitable. So it is what it is, but I just wanted to come and tell you guys so you guys don't make that mistake. And I didn't pack any snacks, and I know better, but because I was at work and then I had a doctor's appointment, like, I just spaced and forgot to pack snacks. I didn't pack drinks. I didn't pack anything. So yeah, make sure that you guys pack your snacks, pack your drinks for the car ride, and you should be fine. But we ended up getting in really late last night. That's why we're doing the rest of our setup for outside today. So yeah, which I can say, getting in at nighttime in a fifth wheel is much easier than getting in at nighttime in our travel trailer, because in our travel trailer, a lot of the things that go outside we stored inside, but with our fifth wheel we have more room, so we could just store everything that goes outside, and everything that goes inside. So, and shakedown trips are important. Like, even little small trips close to home are super important, because our rig is only 4 months old, but it's been in the shop like 2 times. Stuff that happens, like today, this trip, like every trip is like little stuff. Some stuff babe can fix, some stuff has to go to the shop. But this time, my water faucet on my side of the sink is leaking water, and the faucet in the kitchen, it won't go all the way back up. But the team that we have at Bogue RV, like, I cannot brag on them enough. I call Sarah, she's like, bring it in, we'll get it fixed, no problem. And we're typically on the road and fixed before our next trips. So fingers crossed, that's what happens this time. So yeah, I think we're gonna well, babe's gonna finish setting up. I'm gonna prep this chicken because I forgot to take it out the freezer, so it's in this thing defrosting now, because without the chicken there's no chicken salad tomorrow, and without the chicken tonight we ain't got no dinner. So yeah, I will see you guys later. So if you travel with a 3-year-old or a toddler, you know that this is how your seat covers is gonna be looking. And this is why you have seat covers. I'm about to wash these real quick, and while we're just setting up.
This was not a good stay. Gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, I gotta know.
Spar, what you doing?
I'm about to heat up my food.
What you eating?
Fried chicken and then some shrimp, chicken, and broccoli alfredo pasta.
Leftovers from last night. What you eating, Tootie? Get sandwich. Your applesauce. And juice and fruit snacks. I'm about to make me a sandwich. I think Babe probably would make a sandwich too. And eat lunch and put somebody down for a nap. And yeah, I'll be back. Yeah, that's my lunch. I'm about to eat lunch, and then I'm gonna do a second load of laundry and just chill out.
Twist it. Pull it. Yeah. I remember my first time playing.
Y'all, I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but I've started on the chicken is on the smoker. I've started on the cabbage, and I'm just about to make some Velveeta by Snack and Cheese. And oh, let me show y'all. Well, I showed y'all when we went grocery shopping, but in case you missed that video, and some Sister Schubert's dinner yeast rolls. These are bomb. So yeah, that's it. Say good night.
Good night.
Good night, y'all. So we are ending today's vlog pretty much where we started it, in the bed. Thank you so much for rocking with us today. I hope that something I said or something we did may have inspired you to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.